how you can remove BIOS admin password with the help of password cracking tool. So here are the top 3 tools which will help you to bypass CMOS and set it to default. The first one is CMOS cleaner for PC. Just click on it and here you will get an option called download. Just wait for few seconds and automatically it will download in your system. So you can see here, this is the CMOS cleaner. It will set your CMOS to default and it will clean all the password of your CMOS and the system will be set into default. Okay, so you can use this tool to reset or to bypass your CMOS. Okay, it will basically set your CMOS to default and it will clean all the CMOS password and it will make a default setting for your CMOS. Okay, so this is the very useful tool which you can use to bypass CMOS or to bypass your admin password. Fine. So take the use of these tools. The second one is CMOS password. So you can use this tool. Click on the first link, CMOS password. Once you click on the CMOS password, you can see here, this is the tool which you can use to decrypt your password. Okay, this work for BIOS as well. So you can use this tool to bypass or to reset your password or to decrypt your password for CMOS. Okay, so this is the very useful tool which you can download and use this tool to reset or to bypass your admin password. Okay, so I have used these tools and it is a very useful tool for any laptops or any systems which you have. Okay, it supports with multiple laptops like acer, Dell, BIOS. Okay, even HP, IBM, Sony, Samsung, Toshiba. Okay, it supports with multiple laptops, so you can take the use of this tool which will help you to bypass BIOS admin password, and it's a very useful tool to bypass any kind of password in your system. You can see the capability of this tool as well. Okay, in which laptop it supports and what are the configuration it works. Okay, you can see here and take the use of this tool to bypass your password. Okay, the third one is kill CMOS. Okay, kill CMOS, you can take the use of this tool to reset your password or to set factory default settings in your system. Okay, if you want to reset or to set your CMOS to default, then you can take the use of this tool. Okay, this is the very useful tool. You can click on download and easily download it, and this will basically reset your computer CMOS setting to default. Okay, factory default, and you can use this tool to remove your password if you have password protected by your admin or by any other person. So easily you can remove your password protection with the help of this tool. Click on download now and you can easily download these tools. Okay, if you find this video helpful, hit on the like button, and if you are new to this channel, you can subscribe this channel, and if you have any query, comment down below. See you in the next video.